Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to reach those tricky spots in the back of your mouth, you're not alone. Finding a toothbrush that gets into those hard-to-reach places can make a huge difference in your oral health. Today, I'm reviewing the REACH Advanced Design Toothbrush with Toothbrush Cap, a tool designed to tackle those problem areas effectively. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. This toothbrush has been designed with some impressive features to improve your brushing experience. Its signature angled neck and tapered head are built to help you reach 60% farther back in your mouth, especially the difficult-to-clean areas near your back teeth. This thoughtful design aims to make plaque removal easier and more thorough, even in the spots we tend to miss with regular brushes. The REACH toothbrush is equipped with bi-level medium bristles, which are particularly effective for cleaning between teeth and along the gum line. These bristles offer a good balance for daily cleaning without being too harsh on your gums. And with an ergonomic contoured handle, the brush is comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver for those hard-to-reach spots. So, how does it feel in real life? I've been using this toothbrush for a few weeks now, and I can definitely say it's made a noticeable difference. The angled neck design feels intuitive and makes it much easier to reach the back of my mouth, even without straining. I also love the bi-level bristles. They seem to grab onto plaque more effectively, leaving my teeth feeling cleaner. The handle is another bonus. It's comfortable and gives me a good grip, which is important when you're brushing for a full 2 minutes. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. 1. The angled neck and tapered head make it easy to access the back teeth and other hard-to-reach areas. 2. The medium bi-level bristles clean effectively between teeth and along the gum line. 3. The contoured handle is comfortable and gives great control. 4. The toothbrush cap keeps the bristles hygienic when not in use. Cons. 1. While the angled neck is great for getting into hard-to-reach spots, it can take a little getting used to if you're used to traditional toothbrush designs. 2. The medium bristles might be a bit too firm for people with sensitive gums. When it comes to value for money, this toothbrush offers a solid performance for a very reasonable price. It's affordable, and for what you're getting, the ergonomic handle, angled neck, and quality bristles, it's worth it. REACH's innovation with this brush does seem to live up to its promise of more effective plaque removal, especially in those tricky areas in the back of the mouth. If you're in the market for something similar, there are plenty of other toothbrushes out there, but few match the REACH design in terms of accessibility for hard-to-reach areas. Some competitors might have slightly softer bristles, but for a toothbrush designed for performance and precision, this one is tough to beat. As for durability, the build quality is solid. The bristles hold up well even after a few weeks of use, and the handle remains comfortable with consistent use. There's also no noticeable wear on the brush head, so it should last a good amount of time if you maintain it well. If you've had any experience with REACH's customer service, you'll know they are quite responsive and they stand behind their product. I didn't need to reach out myself, but based on the brand's reputation, I'd feel confident that they'd be quick to assist if anything came up. Looking for alternatives? There are toothbrushes out there with similar features, but none really match the REACH brush in terms of the angled neck and the reach it offers. So if you have a hard time reaching those back teeth, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Some alternatives may offer a more gentle brushing experience, especially if you have sensitive gums, but if you want a strong, effective clean, REACH definitely gets the job done. In summary, the REACH Advanced Design Toothbrush with Toothbrush Cap does exactly what it promises, provides an advanced clean with ease of access to hard-to-reach areas. It's a great option for those looking for a brush that tackles plaque more efficiently. The ergonomic handle and unique design make it an excellent tool for daily oral care. If you're looking for a reliable toothbrush that's easy to use and effective, this one delivers. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the REACH toothbrush, the link can be found in the comments or description box. Have you used this product or any similar ones? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.